This tutorial is for 2nd grade, Module 8, Lesson 9. In this lesson, we're going to focus on the fact that when we're talking about halves of shapes, we're talking about two equal shares. So for example, in the first problem, it says circle the shapes that have two equal shares. Well, if I look at my first shape, it's been divided in two, and each shape is the same size. So this would be 1/2. This would be 1/2, and yes, they have equal shares, so I'll circle this. If I look at my next shape, it is divided into two pieces as well, but the pieces are not equal, so we do not call those pieces halves. So no, that shape does not show equal shares. My circle has a diagonal line dividing it into two equal pieces, and so yes, we would say that that's showing two equal shares. My last shape has been divided into three pieces, but we're looking for shapes that have two equal shares. Because it was divided into three pieces, we would not count that shape. In the next section, it says to cross out shapes that do not have two equal shares. Shade in half of the shapes that do have two equal shares. Well, question A was done for us already, so my square was divided down the middle. Each share is the same size, so that shape did show equal shares and one part was shaded. I went ahead and looked at the first two rows and found the shapes that showed two equal shares, and I shaded half of the shape. So here I have a circle, I shaded half of it. In shape C, we have a rectangle. It's been divided into two pieces, but they are not the same size, so we're not going to shade in that piece. In shape D, I have a rectangle that was divided into three pieces, so that would not show two equal shares. In shape E, we have another circle. This one was divided horizontally, and I shaded in the half because both pieces are the same size. In shape F, we have a rectangle that was divided diagonally, and both sides are the same size, so I shaded in half. Same thing with G. The horizontal line split it in two. Each side is the same size, so I shaded in half. And then in shape H, we have a circle. The vertical line is not dividing it into two equal shares, so we would not call those halves.